Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mom Life with Jessica. I'm coming on today to do a video of how to make hand sanitizer. It's actually very simple. It's 2 ingredients. I'm actually gonna add in 4 ingredients, but the recipe really is just 2 ingredients. I have not been able to find any hand sanitizer anywhere. So I'm in need of it because I use it so much throughout the day, like ridiculously amounts of times a day. So I decided to make it on my own. So the ingredients you will need is isopropyl, which is basically rubbing alcohol. You need at least 70%. I have 91. 91 is the strongest, and then you need at least 70% in order to sanitize your hands. The next ingredient you're gonna need is aloe vera. So aloe vera is a moisturizing ingredient because, you know, after sanitizing all day, your hands are so dry. Washing, sanitizing, your hands are so dry. My hands are like cracking already. So I'm putting aloe vera. It's also a bacteria fighting ingredient. I'm also going to include a few drops of vitamin E just for extra moisturizing. And then I'm gonna add lavender essential oil by doTERRA, just because it smells really pretty. So what you'll need is a measuring cup of, I'm gonna do the aloe vera first, aloe vera gel, and you put in 1/3 of a cup for the aloe vera gel. So I'm gonna lower my phone so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so let's get started. A little hard to get out of this bottle. Oops. Okay, so that's about 1/3. I'm just gonna scoop it out of here into my mixing bowl. Okay, put that off to the side. She got some in my hand. Okay, the next ingredient is the rubbing alcohol, and that you need 2/3. That is strong. The next thing I'm going to add is the vitamin E oil that I talked about. Just a little bit. Again, you don't have to add that. I just added it because I want it to be extra moisturizing. And then this you also don't have to add, but if you want it to smell pretty. And then give it a stir. Make sure it's stirred very well so all the ingredients are mixed.